You have found the 2-minute tip. It's number 81. I'm Rich Sands. The sales presentation is a fairly common phenomenon in the world of, well, sales. Now, a great number of salespeople believe that the presentation is where you dump your stuff, dazzle the consumer, and maybe grab the sale. Now, that kind of self-focused delivery more than likely could get you the gig. Most often, however, you'll either come up short or create issues further down the line with your self-focused lecture. So what can you do instead? Well, for starters, you could look at the sales presentation as an opportunity to discover whether what you have actually met the needs of the person on the other end of your presentation. At some level, your other focused presentation is the answer to their proverbial question, what is up? So in keeping with that as our goal, I offer a 4-step approach I have wonderfully acronymed SUPP, as in, what's up? S, summarize. Here's where we make certain that we understand the wants and needs of our consumers. If you did a good job asking questions, chances are you will shine in this summary portion. You might say things like, so let me make sure I understand your wants and needs. Or, what I think I'm hearing you say is, and in summary, you're telling me that is really important to you. Any of those will work. You understand. You should have a deep understanding of what you have to offer a consumer. You should know your stuff, and you should know it up, down, frontwards, backwards, left, right. You should know your stuff. It is impossible to deliver what someone wants or expects from you if you have no idea what you actually have for them. P, present to the need. Just like it sounds, we let people know that the services and/or products we possess does actually meet their wants or needs. The essence of the presentation is, you need this, I have this, here's how it works or what it does, and here's why you would even care. Boom, nailed it. P, provide an opportunity for reactions, feelings, opinions. Try not to move on to asking if someone wants to work with you until you've allowed them the chance to express how they actually feel about what you have. Maybe ask questions or maybe even disagree. So there it is, 4 easy guidelines to the structure of your next presentation. I'm Rich Sands. Sup?